Today in history. 15 February 1965. Bright and sunny, Ottawa, Canada. Dear Diary, today was a super exciting day because Canada has a new flag. Everybody gathered on Parliament Hill in Ottawa to see the big moment when the new flag was raised. This event is going to be called the adoption of the national flag of Canada. Everyone was buzzing with energy, and I couldn't wait to see what it looked like. Before today, Canada was using an old flag called the Canadian Red Ensign. It had a picture of the Union Jack, which reminded us of British times. People thought it didn't really show who we are as Canadians anymore. So, the Prime Minister decided it was time for a new flag that represents all of us, and that's why we're here celebrating today. A few years ago, lots of people started talking about wanting a new flag, and they thought it was important because Canada is a special place with many different cultures. The Flag Committee, led by Mr. Stanley and Mr. Matheson, worked hard to create a new design. They picked the maple leaf because it has been a symbol of Canada for so long. It's really cool to think that this little leaf can represent our whole country. When it was time to raise the new flag, everyone cheered. The flag is red and white with a big red maple leaf in the middle. I remember standing with my friends, looking up at it waving in the wind. It felt so proud and exciting to be there with all the other kids and families. There were also some important people, like the Prime Minister, and they looked very happy too. Some of the grown-ups were a little sad because they liked the old flag. My dad even told me stories about how he saw that flag when he was younger. He said he liked it because it reminded him of Canada's history. But I think everyone was happy to have a new flag that shows who we are today as a country. After the flag was raised, there were speeches where people talked about how this day is for everyone in Canada. They said it was a fresh start and that we could all feel proud of our identity. It was so nice to hear everyone cheer and clap. I could feel the happiness all around me, and it made me smile a lot.